that's it. Yeah, cool. Now you gonna do your face. Alright. Let me go. Let me go, bro.
Hey! You all right?
Man, life be a motherfucker, ain't it? One minute you be young, everything is beautiful. The only hard thing is to find out how brave you really are, you know?
What if we understood love? Like, really understood it? Think we'd be the same?
What you mean?
Like this. You remember Terrence? We rode up to those two with the bike and killed the guy on the bike. I ain't never killed nobody before, but what kind of love did he need?
You almost do tonight. We all knew why. Money, nigga. I told you life be a motherfucker. The minute you go too far past yourself, life will show you who really be running the show.
Like God?
Nigga, God be a way for a black man to fuck somebody's wife.
That'd be religion, though. God making everyone out there thinking they're going to heaven. Wanna know what life really is, though? It's just lines. One line in your car, at the store. No wonder these niggas think it's a lineup.
Some of us ain't even allowed in a church no more. And don't mind Reggie. He don't get what you mean by lines. It's better to wait in line for something more than to be stuck here.
Still there?
Still there.
I will never understand why my mama called me Eve. That's why she put a curse on me.
You pray?
Hard not to pray when you're black. Need hope.
What if we stop hoping?
What you mean?
Hope can leave us fragile. You know what's fragile? Glass. It falls, it breaks.
We fall, we break.
Yeah, you be right. Our body is fragile, but not our spirit. Our spirit is our style. We developed this style for it to be taken from us, and then we off hoping again.
Glory, she must be talking to you. Cause ain't nobody taking my shit. Still there?
Still there.
Yo, how's that old white bitch I've been seeing you with?
Yo, she ain't old, man.
This nigga out here really trying to spread his wings, man. This motherfucker thinks he hip, you know what I mean?
Yo, so I'm with her. What that means, nothing different.
Black's all I know, baby.
Ain't black all I know? Yo, Reggie. You ever heard the term existentialism?
This nigga and his words, man. Okay, Glory. Tell me what your books say.
Existentialists believe that society should not restrict an individual's free will. So my life and actions are nothing mine to explore. It don't mean it's better, it's just different. So who I'm with is not your goddamn business.
Bullshit.
What?
You talk pretty, but you don't know shit. You get heavy in the chest so you can fight the world. I know you, nigga. You like all these other fuckers running around. You missed the bounce. Stop your shit. Plus, you don't know what it's like. She don't know what every day's like for me. Having to see these white boys look and treat me like I'm some object or I'm not human. You talk like you free. You ain't free, nigga.
The bounce?
The bounce. When you feel that ass bouncing up and down.
Mm-hmm. What's that white bitch name again?
Caroline.
Caroline. Hold yourself close, baby.
Caroline. Caroline.
You don't find me interesting.
Well, what do you mean? Come back to my apartment.
You're a big girl.
What do you think is my most interesting attribute?
Disarming.
Why disarming?
To tell you the truth, I think life puts people that takes the fear away in front of you.
I heard you playing the trumpet the other night. I hid in the back.
You did? Ah. I played horrible that night. I'm beginning to believe that art is a lonely game we play.
What did Miles say one time? If you're gonna sacrifice your art because of some woman, or some man, or some color, or for some wealth, you can't be trusted.
That's why Miles was the greatest. I met him, you know, one time when I was a whippersnapper using false ID to go to clubs. And they say he's unapproachable. I went straight to him and asked for his autograph. Do you think you sacrificed when it came to me?
You know, God, that I sacrificed a lot. That's why we have nothing.
You have me.
Yeah. I got you.
You still writing?
I'm always writing. Never taken seriously. Especially at work. You know how men are? You men seem to be always scared by strength.
Not me.
Never you.
I thought we were friends. How does one find love in friendship? Does a comfort become so overpowering? Why do you like me? I know that's a lot of questions. I've always been the girl with too many questions.
Nah. I like everything about you. You know? And we gotta start somewhere, baby. Plus, this is friendship. I'm scared to know what love looks like with you.
You cute nigga. You were born hip. I'd break your heart.
What are you looking at?
I can't look at you.
You can't look at me like that for 1 minute and then just act like I'm a stranger the next.
I'm gonna act like you're a stranger. Hmm? No, I don't want to talk about this no more.
No more, hey? Always running from a fight. Тебя прошу держать за руку, ты ни хера не делаешь.
What?
I'm asking you to hold my hand. You act so tough all the time. Did you know when I told my mom about you? No. She actually cried. I'm not allowed to see her ever since now. Why can't you be fucking tough for me? I chose you. Why can't you choose me? You know, you're not the only one who gets something
Caroline, I
up here.
swear. You don't get it. You don't. Wherever we are, wherever we go, people are gonna ask questions. Black, white, Asian, it don't matter. I can hear them going, who's that nigger with that white girl? Who the fuck is that white girl? Spin a word for me. You don't get it, you won't. Because you're white.
You're right. You see all of them. But me. Me. Look at you. Try to be so much, all right? You're a big man. Wanna know the truth? You're just a scared kid.
A white girl thinks she's
Yeah,
tough now.
you're
huh?
not a man.
You pipe up
You're
and
not
you
a man.
say
You're a
you
baby.
blaming
What the
me
fuck
for
was I
shit.
thinking?
You know what I did
Yeah,
for
what
you?
happened?
What if I got caught, huh?
What did you do?
Ain't no one touching you.
You know, some people think of fighting as this thing to be afraid of.
Little V. That was cool.
This school is different, but really nice. The ceilings are so tall.
Oh, really? You're all rich over there. What's wrong?
Maggie hit something here, but I can't see it.
We're running late, baby. We'll get it later. Let's go. How's Mom?
She seems happy. Sorry.
Oh, nice. I want her to be happy, okay? Hey, I'm happy, all right? Did you get some new friends?
Yeah?
Oh, that's good. I used to have a lot of friends.
Welcome to paradise. Introducing to the stage a bright new star, Reggie Watson.
Y'all came to see another black man fail? I saw y'all. I saw what y'all did to that little boy over there. That was fucked up. That was fucked up. After the third, shut the fuck up. I saw his soul leave his body and it materialized in the tear in his left eye. Y'all saw that? I saw that shit. That's when I knew all you motherfuckers is going to hell. Ah, shit. Motherfuckers like y'all don't deserve us, man. Y'all don't deserve us. What happened to y'all, man? We used to be like family. Now everything's a goddamn setup. Shit. All you did was hurt yourself. You see, I'm on my way out. What's up, sweetie? She reminds me of my first baby girl, you know what I'm saying? Man, this half-fat bitch used to suck a nigga dry, man. Shit. She had me hiding under the covers and everything, you know? Shit, and then she had that magic trick she used to do with her tongue. And then that's when my soul left my body, you know what I'm saying? Shit. Y'all don't get it, man. I'm sad. When you lose everything, you miss the ones that really matter.
I love you, Reggie.
Yeah, I love you too, baby. But right now, I need you to shut the fuck up. You know, I have a little girl. Little V. She's a good girl. She's a good little girl, you know. I don't deserve her. I was always so caught up with them women and them drugs. See, y'all think you're stronger than me, huh? You think you understand what it feels like to hate every fiber of your being. Still have to wake up, try again the next day. in a world that no longer sees artists. What else do we have? Huh? You know, my worst day was a can of beans while I was waiting for a train to come. You know. And I waited for a long ass time. This motherfucker never showed up. Man, them nasty ass beans never tasted so good. Imagine that. We forgot to laugh through it all. You'd love if we kill ourselves, huh? Nothing is enough. The tears of a poet. The death of an artist. Nothing is enough. Nothing is enough.